Manitoba starts 2026 with targeted skilled worker invitations. Canada's provincial immigration activity is picking up pace in 2026, and Manitoba is clearly continuing with a focused, employer-driven strategy. In its second provincial nominee program draw of the year, Manitoba has again targeted skilled workers who already have strong connections to the province, either through employers, community recruitment, or provincial initiatives. This shows Manitoba is prioritizing quality and labor market fit over high-volume invitations in early 2026. Let's break down what happened in this latest draw and what it means if you're planning PR through Manitoba. 29th January draw, key results. Manitoba conducted its second draw of 2026 on 29th January and issued 47 letters of advice to apply, LAS. All invitations were issued under the skilled worker stream, covering both candidates already working in Manitoba and skilled workers living overseas but connected to the province. Unlike general score-based draws, this round was limited to candidates who declared a valid invitation through Manitoba's strategic recruitment initiatives in their expression of interest profile. Which pathways were used? The invitations were issued through two major pathways. The first was the skilled worker in Manitoba pathway, mainly for candidates already working in the province. The second was the skilled worker overseas pathway, designed for foreign workers who have strong ties to Manitoba through recruitment programs, employer connections, or community initiatives. Both pathways are focused on ensuring newcomers can quickly integrate into Manitoba's labor market. Strategic recruitment remains central. A major highlight of this draw is how strongly Manitoba continues to rely on employer-led immigration. Most invitations were linked to recruitment initiatives such as employer hiring programs, regional community recruitment, francophone-focused selection, ethnocultural initiatives, and temporary policies supporting work permits for future nominees. This approach allows Manitoba to directly fill labor shortages while also supporting community growth and diversity. Express entry candidates also benefit. Some candidates invited in this draw also had active express entry profiles. If these candidates later receive a provincial nomination, they could gain 600 additional CRS points, which almost guarantees an express entry invitation for permanent residents. This shows how Manitoba continues to align provincial immigration with federal express entry pathways. 2026 invitations so far. With this draw, Manitoba has now issued over 100 invitations in 2026. Both draws this year have strongly focused on employer-supported candidates, suggesting that employer recruitment channels will remain a major pathway throughout the year. Important reminder for regulated occupations. Manitoba also warned that working in regulated professions requires proper licensing. Even if invited, applications can be refused if candidates cannot prove they meet licensing or certification requirements. Since the provincial application fee is non-refundable, Manitoba is advising candidates to ensure their EOI details are fully accurate. Application timeline. Candidates who receive an invitation must submit a full application within 60 days. All documents must match the EOI profile exactly, or applications could be refused. What this means for 2026 immigration. This draw confirms one major trend. Manitoba is focusing on candidates who are already contributing, or ready to contribute immediately, to the provincial economy. For skilled workers planning Canada PR in 2026, employer connections, community recruitment programs, and strong provincial ties will likely remain key to success. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.